Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Fiat 500 rear bumper. First, open your car's tailgate to reveal the screws located along the top edge of the bumper. Next, you'll need to remove the two 10mm bolts that secure each rear light. Once these bolts are out, gently pull the rear light units straight back to detach them from their housings. This provides access to additional fasteners and wiring, making the next steps much easier. Moving on, focus on the wheel arches. You'll find several screws inside each rear wheel arch that need to be removed. It can be easier to access these if you turn the wheels or even remove them. Then, look underneath the bumper. There are typically two 8mm bolts that secure the lower edge. After these are out, carefully pull the arch liner away from the bumper's protruding lip on both sides to release it. Now, before completely detaching the bumper, disconnect any electrical connectors for your rear lights, parking sensors, or fog lights if your model has them. These are usually simple push-tab connectors. With all fasteners and electrical connections free, firmly grasp the bumper on both sides and pull it away from the vehicle. It's held by a central bracket and side clips, so a steady, firm pull will release it. Ensure all clips are disengaged to avoid damage. To reinstall your rear bumper, simply reverse the removal process. Start by aligning the bumper with the central bracket, then push it firmly into place to engage the side clips. Reconnect all electrical wiring, then secure all the screws and bolts in the wheel arches, underneath, and finally, the rear lights and upper tailgate screws. Double-check all connections and fasteners for a secure fit. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below for the link and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.